Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're gonna over the technique how to get a free sample from the brand. So you create your account, your influencer account, you got approved, so you should able to log in the creator connection, which is this one. It shows all the product. So by default you can scroll down and say, oh, I want to review this security camera. So you're gonna click it. I do right click because otherwise it's gonna go away. This page is gonna away. I go here and I simply click message brand and I send my message. Now we're gonna also talk about this plugin. It's called ViralVue. It's free to start. You can download the application and buy and even with the free version it gives you a lot of stuff. I believe it gives you this shortcut that you can simply click and give you a sample message to send. And when I send message, there are two ways to send a message and we're gonna talk about, but when I send it in this way, I always use this one. And when they reply, I click this one and give you my address. And when I did the video, I click this one and I put the link on my YouTube. So this shortcut is part of this ViralVue. I put a link in the description of my video. If you sign up, it's free. If you want to purchase, there is also a discount in the description. And if you sign up and you upgrade, I will probably get 10% of the commission, but I give you the free tip. I will give you all free tip. So again, you go here, you find the product you like, you click it, you send it. Now if you just start, maybe brand will see, okay, you just started, your badge is not very high because you have several tier of badge. I'm a gold right now, and next one is platinum, and then there is top creator. Right now gold means you have a lot of sell, you have a lot of product, so brands will look at that. However, if you have other social with a lot of subscriber, you can tell that, because I know people they have like 10,000 subscribers on TikTok, so tell that and they're gonna send the stuff for sure. I have 30,000 on YouTube and some people like that, and I also promote all my review on my blog, so that's some key to tell the brand. Next, now, okay, so I started looking all the product and asking the brand to send me the free stuff, and I did that. But then at one point I was also overwhelmed with a bunch of stuff, because actually brand they send stuff, even though when you open up and you scroll it say will sample provided by brand. No, they actually send. So I don't know why Amazon said that, because it's not totally true. They send me a lot of stuff. I mean, sometimes I receive 10 packages a day, 50 a week, tons. So anyway, so that's one way. Now, after you receive a bunch of stuff and you are kind of tired and you want to make money, the plugin ViralVue come in play, because you can scroll down a little, because you need to scrape all the data. Then when you click the plugin, it will give you a table and it will give you a score. So you want, of course, contact the brand with the highest score. How this score is created? Basically, it looks how many products are sold a month. For example, these have 93 scores, super high. I don't know what's this one. So you can click here and see it. Yeah, that's something that I don't care. Probably they're not gonna send me, because probably this is for more women. So, but let's say there was something, for example, I don't care this one. I like the pine tree, the Christmas tree. However, I see the seller is Amazon, so usually Amazon doesn't send you anything. Anyway, so let's say this one is good one. First, how this score is created. So it's gonna look how many sales they have in a month. They have $50,000 every month. They sell 100 daily sale. So that's good point. Second point, there is no influencer did a review. So in combination with that and looking at their key points, it give you this 93 score. Huge. The three, again, this is from Amazon. Usually Amazon doesn't send you anything. You need to check other brand. Let's see something that I want to do with. Let's see. The shoes. Okay, but never mind. Let's talk about again. Let's go back here. I said that this product here doesn't have zero influencer video, but where this video goes. So if you go to the page and you click video here, hi guys. That's where the video will go. These actually are video from the brand. Your video will pop up here. So let me go find, for example, this ViralVue camera, ViralVue coffee machine that I purchased. No, they didn't sell me. I purchased 4 times this one. So if you go here, you see there are 1,373 influencer video. So this as a score, there's no super bad, only because they have $4.8 million of sale every month. But there are too many influencers because the video that Amazon will put on the product is limited. It's limited, I think, to 15. So there are 2 spots where the video will go. One is the top carousel, which is here. When you click here and you scroll, these 5 are the video of people, influencer video. This one are video that are people post in their written review, and I don't think they make any money. They just post it. Maybe they do off Amazon. I don't know. But the video they were talking about is gonna be here. So here there are only 5 spots. Then if you scroll down, there is another area where the video can pop up, and it's here. So also the little ViralVue extension give you this table that you can customize, have more stuff. And this red button here says that my video is not on this, even though I create a video, is not on this page. If I click it, you can see I create my video. There is a video that is on top on another listing, but this particular listing doesn't have any of my video. So again, let's go back here. Let's scroll it. So the first thing you want to do is to scroll for maybe 30 seconds. Don't scroll too much because Amazon have a limited API limitation. So you cannot scroll forever, but you can scroll for about 30 seconds. And ViralVue is collecting all the data and created a table. So now we have this one. I don't care. Okay, this one, I like it. I already received one, but I like this one. So how to connect with the brand? You have 2 ways. One, to the software. You can simply click this button and you click send a message, and you can create more. Like, I want this one, I want this camera, I want this pension is from Amazon, I want this bookcase. Okay, let's take this one too. Okay, next you send a message, or you can edit the template. This is my template. It's very simple. I'm a gold influencer. I'm interested in this product. Blah blah. My YouTube. The problem is Amazon. You can write a nice template, but Amazon compress all together without any space. So I try to make not super long. I see people even putting the address directly. or putting different social and this and that. I don't know, my template it's like that. So next you click send a message, and this is the software. This is the ViralVue plugin. It's not Amazon, native Amazon, and that's it. You see, it's much easier. But you can also manually send a message, especially because ViralVue give you 20 message a day. You can purchase for more, but I'm fine with 20. Sometimes I don't know what to review, because not everything I see I want to review. So you can click here and we'll open up the page. There is actually sometimes requirement from the brand. They usually don't complain. I mean, at least on my video, I never ever complain because I didn't say what they want to say, because they don't require. I mean, it also shouldn't be legal for Amazon. The brand tell you what to say. They put some general information here. So, but from this page you can click message brand, and I already sent a message from ViralVue, so it shows up here. Also, these areas from ViralVue, it shows the product, it shows the ASIN, it shows the status, and like that. So again, this video is about how to get free sample from the brand, how to contact them. Yeah, I show you. You go to ViralVue, you go to create connection, select the brand you want, send a message, or use ViralVue to send a message in the automatic way. The other way is go to Facebook and find all kind of this group of just search. There are a lot of this group, and there are these Chinese agent, mostly are from China. They post this and they say, oh, I need a review of this product, who wants to do it? And I started doing this one too. This may not have a nice high commission. Sometimes they pay you extra commission on PayPal too. But so if you just look on Facebook, and you can contact them directly. I usually, when I see something that I want to do it, I contact them, send a message. I don't write in the post. A lot of people write in the post, but I just contact them. I remember this person, I contact them several times. This one, she sent me some stuff, and I didn't have much trouble to find free stuff they sent me from Facebook. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial. So when you sign up with ViralVue, also there is a group that you can join. Here, I'll show you. I'm not sure if you need to just sign up or everybody can join, but they also explain a lot of stuff. Also, make sure to check their YouTube, because they have a lot of stuff. They have a lot of feature. I don't have time to go over everything, but another great feature, it's let me go. Okay, wait, another great feature, it's but I will talk about later. But it's just that after you create the video, refresh this page. First you need to accept the campaign. Then after you accept it, you can upload your video of YouTube on Amazon. But there is a button on ViralVue that it will submit automatically all the video that you create, just not the YouTube video, the Amazon video, to the product. But also it will search a related product. So sometimes a brand create a campaign opportunity, but they are expire, because every campaign have a expiration date. But then they create another one with different date. So ViralVue is gonna accept those campaign I mean, there are a lot of feature that this plugin does. So make sure to sign up and check their YouTube and also the Facebook group. So that's all for this review. We're gonna make more review. We're gonna make more review in future. So subscribe to the channel. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.